Have you ever seen simplified general scientific method to come up with theories? It starts with the main data source for science, which is nature. Then gathering some initial data for further research. It might be your own observations to collect data, or previously collected by you, or anyone else. Once data is collected, it comes a time for inductive logic. You need to recognize patterns and make generalizations. This is where analytical part starts. And results of induction should bring formulating hypotheses or models for your research. Remember, evidence is very important for science. Therefore, you need to verify our hypotheses and models. To prove or disprove, you need to come up with some testable predictions. Follow up with actual designed reproducible experiments to be conducted. Good to keep in mind that test results may heavily use statistics and probability. And then results come to the next analytical step. By critical analysis and using deductive logic, you need to understand test results' relevance with preliminary hypotheses. Once data are analyzed, hypotheses may be altered or even rejected, and there might be a need for several rounds of collecting results of reproducible experiments and analysis steps. Test results on the next steps may adjust predictions or may even completely contradict. Consequently, hypotheses and models can be altered or even rejected. If no full rejection happened after one or several rounds, you move to a design stage to form your initial theory. Science is public and shared. At this point, you should be ready to publish your work. To verify your theory, it's better to wait for peer review results. Another one or a few rounds of steps just discussed to be involved, all to be made by your peer reviewers. Your theory can be confirmed, altered, or maybe even rejected by other scientists. Motivation.how portal explains this diagram with more details in a few introductory videos. Human knowledge through science lenses and methods of science. Many other Motivation.how videos, which are focused on scientific subjects, to follow diagrams flow and use all scientific terms, criteria, principles, and methods underneath. And in the meantime, such videos are explained in a simplified and easy to understand manner, so even someone who's never touched the subject before can understand it on average in just 15 minutes or less. Try Motivation.how today and discover the joy of scientific side of learning. Jumpstart made simple.